Today, the entire city seems to buzz with anticipation. The cause of this auspicious celebration? The death of a member of the royal family. Mobile gamelan bands will escort the carnival. With their mammoth cargo, lifters can only cover short distances in the scorching sun before resting, meaning the procession must wind very slowly through the streets. An enormous bamboo staircase is just one of 3 massive constructions that needs to be carried several kilometers to the site of the cremation. The second is a massive animal-shaped coffin, which remains empty at this stage. Shaped like a giant bull, it represents the elite. It's believed that grieving can hinder the soul's release, so sorrow is turned to celebration. The final stage of the procession, a cremation tower, the chamber containing the corpse. Its passing is hailed to mark the crossover to the afterlife. The coffin bearers must make constant turns to disorient the soul and prevent it from returning home. Finally, at the scene of the cremation, coffin bearers begin to move the body. Everybody, including foreign visitors, is welcome to join in. The body will be relocated to the bull-shaped coffin. Relatives of the deceased circle the memorial, proudly bearing a picture of the dead. At this point, the deceased is considered to be neither earthly or spiritual. Instead, hanging in between, ready to make the crossover. Again, the corpse is shaken to confuse the soul and prevent it from leaving the cremation site. This will be its final resting place. Finally, the cloth-wrapped body is transferred to the cremation coffin, along with a collection of offers to the gods, before the flames engulf them. The colourful rituals of Bali have long fascinated artists. Trying to capture the event is hard work. The coffin was doused in petrol and is quickly ablaze. Even the towering chamber that carried the body is burned to symbolize the cosmos. Now, at long last, this royal soul can begin its journey into the spirit world. For those who have lived an exemplary life, cremation releases the soul to mingle with the cosmos. Those less honest will be given another chance and reborn. Unlike other cultures, the Balinese only believe in rebirth as humans, not as other animals. For the soul to escape, the body must be completely turned to ashes. Giant gas burners are brought in to speed up the process. But even with this help, the cremation can take more than an hour. A ceremony like this is very costly, setting the family back several $1,000s. Once the remains have cooled, the ashes will be collected and scattered out to sea. Prince Ubud's cousin will now live on not only